Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Study Guide. So today I am going to discuss detailed summary of the poem titled I Never Lost As Much But Twice by Emily Dickinson. So first of all, let me give you a short introduction about the poet. Emily Elizabeth Dickinson. She was a great American poet born on 10 December 1830 in United States and died on May 1886. Most of her work was done in secret. She didn't share most of what she wrote. She wrote nearly about 1800 poems and only 10 or so poems were published during her lifetime. Most of her poems were written in just 6 years between 1858 to 1864. In most of her poems, the main theme was the death of loved ones. First volume of her work was published after her death in 1890 and last in 1955, titled The Poem of Emily Dickinson. It contains total of 1800 poems. She admired the poetry of Robert Elizabeth, Barrett Browning as well as John Keats. Her poetry was heavily influenced by the metaphysical poetry of 17th century England. She was also known as the woman in white, as because she rarely leaves her home and when she does, wears white. Most of her poems didn't have the title. Generally, the first line of the poem is considered to be the title. Let us see some of the examples of her work. Because I could not stop for death. I am nobody. Who are you? Success is counted as sweet. Hope is the thing with feathers, etc. and many more are there. Most of her works were published after her death. Let us see the poem. I never lost as much but twice, and that was in the sword. Twice have I stood a beggar before the door of God. Angels, twice descending, reimburse my store. Burglar, banker, father, I am poor once more. In this poem, poet herself is the speaker. She stands in front of God and begs him before the door of God. This poem is actually about the death of two of her friends, Leonard Humphrey and Benjamin Newton. She lost them at a relatively young age. So she seems to have blamed God and begged him to return them. But in the end, she realized that he won't and says, I am poor once more. This poem is made up of 2 stanzas with 4 lines in each. It has rhyme scheme as ABCB. Let us see the explanation of the poem. In the first stanza, the lost refers to the greatest loss, as the poet counts that she lost twice in life, thus signifying only the prime loss, like the demise of 2 of her good friends. The sword refers to the death of 2 of her friends. Poetess called herself a beggar because of the greatest emotional loss she suffered. She must have prayed to the god like a beggar. And the door of the god refers to the paradise. The poetess grieves for the loss of 2 of her friends. It came as the greatest shock to her in her life. In her entire life, she has not lost anything more important than the loss she is currently speaking of. She must have begged to the God to refrain her from the loss or give her mental strength. She only begged to the God twice. Twice have I stood a beggar further intensifies the loss she is referring to. In the second stanza, reimbursed my store refers to the new friends brought by the angels. God seems to address her begging and gifted her with two new friends or dear ones. The image of angels descending from the heaven seems to reconcile the poet's faith in God. Yes, God has reimbursed the store. However, there is no thanksgiving. Instead of poetess faith in God gets second. She mockingly calls God as a burglar, banker, father. Burglar because God takes away anything or everything from man without even the slightest notice, as this correlates with the act of a burglar. Bank because God has enough and can always reimburse as he has done in the case of poetess with two new friends. And father because he is the one responsible for all his subjects and takes care of the creation. However, it is the very final line that sets the mood and the theme of the poem, I am poor once more. Even after having two new angels in her life, makes the poetess say she is poor. God has once again taken away someone from the life of poetess. The present loss may be a faithlessness from a friend or a beloved one. That's all about the summary. Thank you.